What's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can send camera roll snap as a normal snaps in Snapchat. So first of all, you're going to have to get logged into your Snapchat account. Once done, make sure that you are under camera section, and in here you will see a search bar on your top left hand side. So tap onto it, and here simply type in camera roll. Then you will see camera roll upload. This is exactly the filter that we should be trying on. So select camera roll upload. Then it will show you all the photos that you have in your camera roll. Now go ahead and take a snap of a photo which you would like to send as a real snap in Snapchat. Now if you would like, you could go ahead and send it to your friends. So I'm going to send it to myself just so you guys can see what it will look like. So sending to me right here. Now let's go ahead and go to chats. And this is what it will look like once they have opened your snaps. So guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you all for watching. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch you up soon.